The title of our poster is Analyzing the Species Abundance and Diversity in Kiptopeke, Virginia State Park. Our project is by Lopez Scott, Mecayla Spearman, Taylor Quarles, and Jessica Bell. There are more than 500 known species of raptors, which is a generic term for all birds of prey. Birds of prey have a lot of similar characteristics and features that are used to prey on other animals. Some features include keen eyesight, diurnal or nocturnal vision, curled claws, sharp feet, and fingered wings. All birds of prey across North America migrate to different places. Factors such as time of day, wind speed, and temperatures can affect the prey's migration status and/or pattern. Another shift in migration can be due to early accessible resources for the birds of prey in different areas. Traveling long distances can cost raptors a lot of energy, which is why certain species may migrate at certain times to take advantage of the conditions to help them soar. Birds of prey are also known to have migration periods from anywhere in the spring, which would be February to March, the summer, July to August, or in the fall, September to November. Our research question has sample data from these seasons, being summer and fall, with the months August, September, and October. As well, the location of the birds of prey that we study were from Virginia State Park. Our research question is, do more hawks migrate in September, October, or November? Our hypothesis is that the birds of prey located on the eastern shore of Virginia will be more abundant in the month of October. For this research question, our predictions are as follows. The weather in the month of October promotes more migration to this area. Along with the weather, the environment at this certain time can attract more birds. As well, the presence of predators for the birds of prey in the specific location and time.
The species list provided from this fall's migration period are osprey, bald eagle, northern goshawk, sharp-shinned hawk, Cooper's hawk, red-tailed hawk, broad-winged hawk, American kestrel, merlin, Swainson's hawk, golden eagle, peregrine falcon, red-shouldered hawk, Mississippi kite, swallow-tailed kite, and rough-legged hawk. Methods. The data collected from our experiment was collected at the Kiptopeke, Virginia State Park. To collect the data needed from the Hawkwatch site, we used hawks.org bird count from each day for the fall months of August, September, October, and November. The climate at the time of the data collection was fall weather, which consists of warm days and cold nights in September. In both October and November, the days began to become colder as it is getting closer to winter. Analyzing the biodiversity of the area from the migration of the fall season helped us come up with the conclusions and the relationships among the temperature, abundance, daily count, and richness. In the flow chart provided under the methods, the hawks were observed from August 31st, 2020 to November 29th, 2020. In this recorded individual birds and richness and temperature. The total number of individuals were 14,807, and the average daily temperature was 13 degrees Celsius, and the average daily richness was 7.89.
Regarding the results, when viewing the data, there's a clear display of relationships between temperature, richness, daily count, and abundance. As the temperature rises, it affects both the abundance and the richness, causing them to rise. Also, as the sampling days progress, the abundance increases. This can be distinguished from the correlation analysis graphs. Other observations would include the switch of dominating counts/abundance between the osprey and the sharp-shinned hawk. This information consists of the osprey's abundance increasing throughout early recorded fall season and decreased mid-late fall season, whereas the sharp-shinned hawk was infrequent in abundance in the beginning of the recorded fall season and increased starting mid-late fall, which can be seen in the multi-level donut chart. When looking back at the hypothesis that is presented as the bird of prey located on the eastern shore, Virginia, will be more abundant in the month of October, the data best supports this conjecture. Referring to the abundance, some charts provided information stating that within the 3 months that were recorded, the month of October was the month with the greatest amount of abundance.
Hi, my name is Lopez, and I'll be wrapping up the discussion. Looking at the results, the data supports the hypothesis with October having the most amount of abundance with over 477 individuals. And even though October has the least amount of richness compared to the other months, it does have the most amount of diversity. And this could be explained by the increasing temperatures, which have been linked to early start breeding times and changes in abundance. This could be the hawks' response to climate change. And looking at the correlation graphs, the p-score for daily temperature v abundance was 0.102, while the p-score for daily temperature v richness was 0.020. This indicates that there is a stronger correlation between richness and temperature instead of abundance as previously thought. And this analysis, of course, does not consider any environmental factors that could explain why the species are increasing or decreasing, such as disease or any other abiotic factors like natural disasters. And we would like to thank the individuals at Utah Hawkwatch for collecting this data and making it accessible to us, hawkcount.org for granting us access to their website/database, and Hampton University and the Department of Biological Sciences, specifically Dr. Dash and Michael Truitt, for giving us the opportunity to study these hawks. And this poster is supported by the National Science Foundation grants. Thank you.